Hello everyone. Today in this video I'm giving you the India's Got Letent full edit preset just like AE editors for Alight motion. Now let's check out the sample.
Let's say मेरे तरफ तो 10 है, but मैं देखता हूँ कि क्या आपका मैनिफेस्टेशन सही है कि नहीं। आपका एवरेज होता है 8.5।
You know what? एक सेकंड, मैं पहले एक चीज़ कहा था, मैंने स्कोर ज़रूर लिखा था 9, but there was a reason. एक सेकंड, शुरू से I'm having this paper. You know the reason? I want you. Can you read it out like what? शुरू से मेरी जेब में पड़ा।
I know judges will score me 8.5, but to be fair, I'll mark myself to 9.
That's it for this video. If you enjoyed this pack, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.